Today's Tuesday, June 30th. This is the 1974 Cadillac Air Conditioning Programming Control Unit. This is for my friend Bobby Enzor and Dave Fulcher in Georgia. And the unit has been completely disassembled, calibrated as it was reassembled. And I'm going to be doing a functional validation test after coming off the bench test and after testing it inside a 1974 Cadillac. It is fully functional. This is video number 3 out of a 3-video set showing the final assembled embodiment. The predecessor video showed the bench layout of the individual discrete components, which included a 0 microfinish relapping of both faces of the valve redirect multi-port manifold, replacement of the electronic primary circuit board, which was severely arced, as well as other discrete components being changed, couple diodes. So the unit is now ready for kinematic motion testing, and we'll be looking at the sweeping contacts going across the primary contact board as I apply vacuum. And we can see how the potentiometer is moving in concert with the gear tooth that swivels the contact arms across the circuit board. Okay, and we're holding consistent vacuum. And I'm going to release to atmosphere. And the unit relaxes back to atmosphere. So that's the 1974 Cadillac Air Conditioning Programmer Unit. These units work in concert with the in-dash climate controller. When one fails, generally both fail because they share electrical continuity circuits and they share the vacuum circuit. And cross effects occur. When one unit fails, you can go ahead and replace one unit, and as you do so, that unit will fail again because it'll be affected by the unit that was not serviced. So generally it's advisable to service both the in-dash climate controller unit as well as the air conditioning primary programming controller module. So this is Eldorado, Georgia, Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items, including all the air conditioning components such as the in-dash climate controllers, the air conditioning programmers for the earlier model years, the single port and duplex multi-port power servo units, condensers, capillary tubing, the evaporator, and other critical hard-to-source original vintage Cadillac items. Today is June 30th. This is Eldorado, Georgia, and Florida. Thank you very kindly.